Ho'oponopono is really about your journey through life. Yeah. What do you choose to do? Do you choose to live your life in pain and anger, or do you choose to live the path of peace and freedom? Yeah. Ho'oponopono, when I first learned it, really gave me this opportunity to look at life from a very different perspective. Yeah. Often, too often in life, we feel like that things are done to us, things happen. It's something outside of us. It's my boss, it's my significant other, it's the government, everything around us, the environment. However, it really is not. The world that we experience around us is really the world that is within ourselves. And it is this gift of Ho'oponopono that allows us to be set free. Um, Given our current circumstances in today's world, there are many challenges. There's economics, there's illness, there's war, and you really begin to wonder, like, so what is my purpose here in this lifetime? What am I supposed to be doing? You know, how can I earn more money? I mean, how can I accomplish the things I need to do that I think I should do? And I'm sure these questions are all very common to all of us. However, if we look at the perspective of self-identity through Ho'oponopono, all of these things really begins with self. In Ho'oponopono, we say, look at yourself. For the world around you is simply a reflection of those memories that we have in ourselves. And so self-identity allows us that opportunity to become our true selves. You know, when we begin to apply the tools of self-identity through Ho'oponopono to ourselves, our families, our relatives, our friends, the world around of us begins to change. You know, I guess, it's like we feel like we have to go out and we have to conquer the world. We have to fix other people. I have to help my family members. However, the best way and the best gift you can give to anybody is really to look at yourself and clean up. And the basic question we always have to ask ourselves is, so what is going on in me that I should have this experience? You know, so again, you want purpose, you want to succeed in life, you want to know what is your true identity. It all begins with clean self, clean self. Look at what is going on in yourself that you are having these experiences around you.